Hi everyone, it's Chris with Absolute Cleaning and Restoration. We're here on location at a house that's up for sale. Homeowner and the realtor said, hey, we need some of these floors spruced up. So we're here currently cleaning on the hardwood floors. Wanted to show you guys what this process kind of looks like. And you'll be able to post an after picture with this as well. So you can see they've just lost their luster. They're kind of dingy. They look like they need to be replaced, but they actually just need cleaning and recoating. You can see right now we're scrubbing that old, impregnated dirt that's in the sacrificial coating, and then we're rinsing it clean with our truck mounts. This does no harm to the floor. After we're done, we'll put a recoating on it. It's dry in 2 hours. Look like brand new floors by the time we're finished. If you want to experience the absolute difference, give me a phone call, 662-760-4348.